Okay guys, welcome back. If you notice this big giant pile of parts in front of me, that's for my Magnum XL 91. I just got new crankshaft, camshaft bearings and seals and gaskets for it. The old ones are just literally falling apart. This wasn't too bad to get it apart actually. The plug that goes in the back here was actually missing. You can see it where it was right there. And here's a piston, quite a monster sized piston. Here's a 15 piston compared to a 91 piston. Quite the difference. Always puts a smile on my face, but piston ring is in good shape. It was a little stuck. Not too bad. Got the camshaft cover off in one piece. The bearing is stuck in there and it's very rusty. The exhaust valve is stuck, so I have to be really careful and remove that. Camshaft is in good shape. Little lifters, push rods, and everything else are in really good shape. Doesn't look too bad in there. It's just varnished. Old age. I don't even know how old this engine is. I'm guessing it's maybe 15 to 20 years old. I'm guessing. I'm sure if David's watching, he could tell me that. There's the other camshaft bearing down there. Looking kind of snotty and crappy, so I've just been heating it up and hitting it with some penetrating oil. Try that again. My other biggest problem at the moment is trying to get this big prop driver off here. It's being quite fickle and does not want to come off. I've tried heating it. I've tried just about everything I can, so I'm just going to keep heating it gently. And you don't ever want to heat the crankshaft directly because you don't want to de-harden it or anneal it and ruin it, because that can happen. And with an engine that makes this much power as this thing does, last thing you want is that crankshaft snapping and that prop coming to get you, because you'll be in big freaking trouble if that's the case. But that's my biggest problem right now, is just trying to get out that crankshaft. Workstation's kind of messy. You can see a little tiny camshaft. That's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Little timing mark. Really cool stuff. Oh, there it is. So this is a little bit of a update video. I wasn't going to film taking it apart because it just took me like about an hour to get the piston and sleeve out because it was really stuck. The camshaft cover was... oh, it was a pain in the ass, I can tell you that. And that camshaft was quite the bugger to get it out of there, because obviously you can see the corrosion and the rust on that camshaft bearing there. So... but there it is for now. There will be another video on this later on, guys, so keep tuned, keep watching, enjoy. And once I have this guy all put back together, all my new push rod 2 O-rings there, I will take it and fire it up once it's all put back together. The biggest problem I'm having right now, besides that, is that the exhaust valve leaks, so I'm going to have to see if I can't fix that up and just clean it really well, and hopefully it comes back. But anyways, I'm just rambling now. Too many penetrating fumes probably. Anyhow, guys, take it easy, rock on, keep burning nitro, keep playing with your engines, enjoy the hobby. And to all the new subscribers out there, thanks. You guys are freaking awesome. Really, really appreciate it.